What is up, everyone? TJ Guy Kicks 89 here, back with another skateboard deck review for you guys. This is a review, just to get into it very quickly, on the chocolate, what's it called again? Chocolate Giant Flags deck. This is Stevie Perez's Pro Model deck. The size for this, based on the chocolate sticker that we have here, the width is a 7.875, which is the optimal width for my size 9 feet. Wheelbase is 13.94, just under 14 inches. And the shape is the Girl Chocolate or Crailtap's G021 shape. So this is apparently like an OG popsicle style shape. You can kind of see that they've also got the specs engraved, laser engraved into the board just right there. That says chocolate established in 1994. Top 7-ply North American maple. Shape is G021. Size 31.25 times 31.25 by 7.875. Wheelbase is 13.93. Nose is 6.625 inches. That's the nose. The tail is 6.4875, so that is just a shorter tail as opposed to the nose, and it uses the OG concave. So like I said, this is their old school, their tried and tested OG shape. The retail for this was $295, and I was just looking for decks to basically stock up on what I have, and lo and behold, I found a deck that was in 7.875, which is not a foundation or a toy machine. And I'm really excited to try out this chocolate deck, because although there are issues with crailtap in general, I feel that a skateboard is a skateboard, and whatever politics or brand associations that you have aside, doesn't really matter to me, because I just want to go out and shred. But this is one of the, I mean, like, chocolate and girl has always been on the artistic side of doing things, ever since I saw the hot chocolate video, and Kenny Anderson and notable writers on this brand like Kenny Anderson, Keenan Milton were on chocolate. Stevie Williams once wrote for chocolate as well. Yeah, so it's just like a flag over there at the back with the chocolate logo in cream and orange. And yeah, this is what I think about chocolate skateboards. It's more of like an artistic collection piece. Like when you skate it, you'll be like, ah, sayang niya. But it's a skateboard. It's made to go out and shred. 7-ply maple, North American maple. Yeah, North American maple. And I believe this was one of the older collections. It could be the older collection, because now I think they're made in Mexico. I think this is made in Mexico. This could be made in the crailtap factory in California. Comes with a sticker, chocolate sticker right there. This chocolate bar thing. That's what it says on the side, and the chocolate logo on the bottom. That's the barcode size tag, just right there. Yeah, pretty much it. Excited to go shred this. So the chocolate Stevie Perez, so sorry about the plastic waving around. Stevie Perez is 7.875, G021 shape. See you guys in the next one. Peace.